Welcome to Bigeye. In this video, I'm going to give an overview of the Bigeye Catalog. The catalog shows all of the data sources and BI tools connected in a customer workspace. Customers can also add additional sources and BI tools using the catalog. Bigeye automatically refreshes the catalog every 24 hours to identify and display any dataset changes in a source. Generally, users land on the catalog sources page after they first log into Bigeye, but the catalog can also be accessed from the left navigation at any time. When first arriving at the catalog sources page, toggling the data sources and BI tools tabs respectively will show a list of all of the sources connected in Bigeye. By default, the data sources tab is shown first. On this tab, users can view their list of connected data sources and utilize the search input box to filter for particular data sources. For every source listed, users have the option to favorite the source as well as see the number of schemas, number of metrics, number of issues, and the last schema change date or time associated with that source. Admin users or users who have managed access to the workspace also have the option to edit or delete sources. At the top right of the page, they also have the option to add a new data source or BI tool. Under the BI Tools tab, users can view their list of connected BI tools and again utilize the search input box to filter for particular BI tools. For every BI tool listed, users can favorite BI tool entries, view the number of workbooks associated with the tool, and see when the BI tool was last edited. Admin users or users that have managed access to the workspace also have the option to edit or delete BI tools. To the left of the sources page is the catalog browser. The catalog browser allows you to dynamically traverse through your sources, and users can utilize the search input to search for an object in their source catalog. If a user has favorited a data source or BI tool, the favorited source will show up under the Favorites section at the top of the catalog browser. If a favorited data source is selected, users are taken to the data sources management page. When the data source is expanded lower in the browser, users can view the schemas associated with that source, and if they expand a schema, they can see all of the tables underneath that schema. If you click to expand a table, you will see all of the columns associated with that table. While navigating through a data source, users will see popularity bars next to schemas and tables. These are popularity indicators for a schema or table, and they are based upon the number of read queries on that schema or table in the past 7 days. The more read queries that occurred, the more popular the schema or table will be considered. After selecting a data source, users can see the metrics, issues, schemas, and schema changes associated with that source in their respective tabs. The Schema Changes tab will have an entry anytime a source, schema, or table has been modified. If a user's catalog has already been scanned for updates for the day, the Rescan Source button on the Schema Changes tab can be used to rescan a source to show changes in the tab. Note that this may take a few minutes. From here, we can utilize the Schemas tab to go into a particular schema for this source, or we can utilize the catalog browser to navigate to the schema as well. Selecting a schema using either method will navigate the user to the schema management page where they can select the Schema Changes tab to view changes related only to that schema. Similarly, at a table management level, users can view schema changes related only to that table, as well as access the Columns tab to view all columns in the table and their associated data types. From this tab, users can select a column to navigate into the column management page, and when the Schema Changes tab is selected, users will only see changes associated with that column in this tab. BI tool navigation in the catalog browser works similarly to data source navigation. Users can expand BI tool entries to view the associated workbooks in that tool. They will be able to see popularity for the source and lineage connections between the BI tool and tables in the source. Thank you for watching this video.